This is Brian Gambardella with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we are on a 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Start here on the transom. We've got a nice twin platform. Got a freshwater shower here. Access to your battery switches you'll find on your port side storage. And you can fit a lot of things in here. A lot of water toys, life vests, etc. A neat little feature back here. When you're in and out of the water, put ice in here, drinks. This drains right out. For your guests lounging in the back, you got access to your stereo and USB charging. So keep your cell phone here, drink here, radio here. Nice little block off door. Kids, small dogs, go inside the boat. And again, you've got more storage here. So you load this thing up with ice and drinks, you're good to go for a whole day. This boat is equipped with the stone interior with the sea deck. You've got a power tower above. So your access to your power tower is right here. That'll bring you up and down. Coming into the cockpit. You do have a cockpit table here. And this boat is equipped with the additional storage caddy. You have access to put a small cooler under here, which is nice for people in the cockpit area. So much storage. So this storage area will go about midway up to the bow area. You can put fishing rods, water skis, wakeboards, a lot of things down here. Taking a look at the helm area. You've got two Simrad screens, your Fusion VHF, a nice dash area for your cell phone right above the steering wheel. You've got wireless charging here, your trim tabs, and two cup holders. On our port side, this is where your head is. Very spacious, lots of headroom, which is nice. And something really nice Sea Ray's done. They've hidden the speakers behind this mesh here. So your passenger also has USB charging here. And both your port and starboard seats, they rotate and slide forward and back, which is a nice touch. This boat is equipped with the bow block-off door. So in case it gets windy or rainy, shut the window, shut the door, stay low, lower the top. You can keep yourself out of the elements as much as possible. So forward on our bow area, you got two nice lounge seats. On our starboard side, this is where your cockpit and bow table are stored, as well as your filler cushions for the bow area, so you can fill this in and make this one nice big sun pad. This boat is equipped with a windlass, and you do have a freshwater wash down here, so you can rinse the chain as it comes in case it's muddy or just very salted. If you're interested in this 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard, contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.